how to make him jealous without playing a game. I want to talk to you about a simple technique that will make him jealous, fear of losing you, and give you the value that you deserve. But we won't play any games. I promise, I swear. But I want you to learn the human psychological tricks that can make a guy give you more attention, give you more value, and respect you more as well. Because I know that you're trying your best to be in a healthy relationship. I know you're trying your best to show him that there is something unique between the two of you. The issue is very simple. This guy is taking you sometimes for granted. This time is not really investing, or at least he's hot and cold. In this video, I will give you some solutions to be naturally a challenge and to make him jealous without playing any game. But I need to talk to you about something very important. So I was watching some studies because I want to understand human psychology, male behavior, female behavior. And this study from White in 1980s said, women have the tendency to use jealousy to gain a man's attention. And this is what I love, because it means that it could be natural for you to get the man you want by making him jealous, by showing him that if he doesn't show up, he will lose you. This study was created in 1980, so it's not from now. And I'm supposed that even in the past it was the case. So you have something deep in you, you have a gene that can really make you feel that to get his attention, you want to make him jealous. So it's not toxic. It's not something that will, be detrimental to him. It's not something bad. It's actually the opposite. If you want to use your feminine energy, you can do it in order for him to put you on a pedestal, in order for him to value you. And if you like what I'm sharing right now, you need to smash the like button and you need to subscribe, because on this channel, I won't tell you what everyone is telling you. I will only focus on neuroscience, case studies, and what's working for my clients. So maybe you don't know that, but I'm not an influencer. I'm not a YouTuber. I'm really giving you advice based on what I've experienced on the field. And so there is basically 5 questions that you need to really keep in mind if you want to make him jealous without playing any game. Ready, ladies? Remember, I want you to subscribe. So question number 1, do you have success in your social life? It's very simple. If as a man, which I am, I see a woman that is always by herself, no real friends, always at home, not doing anything, I won't be jealous because I know she's home doing nothing. Or at least she's home and not socializing. Men, if we see you socializing, even with women, if we see that you're smiling and you can talk to anyone, of course it makes us jealous. Of course it's developing for us the fear of losing you. That's why it's so important for you. Question number 1, do you have success in your social life? Question number 2, do you have success in your professional life? Why? Because it makes you more independent, financially and professionally. The more success you have, the more jealous I will be. That doesn't mean that I will be jealous and tell you to stop working, but deep inside, it will create a little fear, a little fire in me that tells me I need to be at her level. I need to really show her that I am like her. So if you have success professionally and even socially, ladies, let me tell you that this guy will see you differently. So I don't want you to play games. I don't want you to get a job that you don't want to get, but I want you to have dreams, goals, and to show them. Question number 3, are you doing any activities that makes you meet people? It's not just socializing here. It's activities. For example, if you do a sport or if you go to the gym by yourself, it's good. But if you go to the gym and you do a collective course, right? There is a class and you go there. I can guarantee you that this will make a man jealous. He will ask you, do you have any men in this class? How long have you been doing this, etc.? Because in his mind, he can lose you. So I'm not just the socialization. The socialization is more like your personality. Here it's, I want you to do actions where you can meet and socialize, because that's the best way for him to fear losing you and to become jealous. Question number 4. Do you have projects? Do you have a vision? And do you have a life mission? If you know what you want to do in your life, if you know what is your dream, what is your goals, if you know where do you want to be in 5 or 10 years, it makes us be more investing, because we know that we need to catch your attention. So it's being jealous in the sense that I need to be more involved. I need to commit because I cannot play around. I cannot play you. You know where you're going with or without me. And this is the best way to make him jealous in the fact that he will see your value. He will see what he can lose. He will see that you're very, very special to him. And the last question that I want you to keep in mind: is it easy for you to engage communication? What do I mean by that? If it's easy for you to engage communication, to send him text message, to call him, to ask him out, there is a moment where he will always take you for granted. And the reason why is because you take the initiative, so I know she will do it, so I don't need to make any move. I want you, if you want to make him jealous without playing games, I want you to understand that it's important for him to initiate. It's important for him to give you attention. It's important for him to value you. And if he does it, then he's a good man. Then you are building a really great relationship. If he doesn't do it, wait. Be patient. Because I see so many women who told me, but Alex, he didn't text me for 2 days. 2 days is nothing. Okay? If you want to not play any games but make him jealous, it's because you know that you deserve more, and you know that you want him to be more invested in you and in the relationship. It is possible. We can still do it, but it won't be the way you want. We have to twist a little bit the situation. And that's when I can guarantee you we get the best results. So, ladies, you know what you have to do. Make sure to smash and subscribe to this channel. Look in the description box if you want to learn more about the strategy. There is few things about neuroscience. It's always being you, but you need to get this knowledge if you want to understand how to build a real relationship right now. Okay? So everything is in the description box below, and I'm here if you have any question. I'm still doing private coaching. If you want to talk to me, if you want to hear what I have to say in your situation, in just one session, it can change your life. One session. You won't hear what you want to hear, but you will hear what you need to hear. I'm here for you, and I will see you soon. Bye, ladies.